So here we have the final 4 logos, or final 4 fonts, which I've whittled down to. And now I'm going to experiment with different layouts. That's to say, I'm going to experiment with the symbol at different sizes, at different places relevant to the text. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to move these logos down slightly, just to make room for versions of these logos. And I'm going to make a copy of these logos, Alt and Shift, drag down a copy. And I'm going to make another copy again. Now, I'm going to move the symbol to the top this time for this version, down here, like so. Let's move these up slightly to give me some room. And for the next one, I'm going to place a symbol directly at the left-hand side, as opposed to offsetting it at the top left hand side, as we see in the top version. So there we have it. Moving these up and working on these ones down the bottom. I'm going to make a copy with Alt and Shift, dragging down and doing the same again. Now I'm going to move back up here, and I did mention I had something in mind for this version because the text was too light in comparison to the symbol. So this is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to reduce the symbol in size and I'm going to place it in the O. Zooming in. So now with the symbol reduced in size, we lose the weight and we also have a more pleasing solution here. Now, as stated in the client questionnaire, the client has stipulated that they would perhaps consider a logo which consists of text with the symbol combined. So that's exactly what we have here. So this could be one of the options in which we present. So now zooming out, I'm now going to position this symbol on top of the text. Going to Object Ungroup and dragging the symbol up here. Now you'll see the symbol's still quite overbearing in contrast to the text, but nonetheless this will stand as an option. Let's just reduce it slightly and center it the best we can. Okay, so now moving down to the others. Just going to position these. Now we have the one at the top, so I'm going to put this at the side, the symbol at the side of this version. Make it slightly bigger in size. I'll put that there. For the final one, I think I'm going to go for an option where the symbol is a lot smaller, centralized at the top. Like so. So now working on these ones at the left, you have the one that's top left here above the text, above the R and the U. So I'm going to ungroup and I'm going to place a version at the left hand side here. And for the final one, I'm going to place it central above the text. And I'm going to increase it in size. So with that done, let's try and pull these closer together so we can judge them all within the screen here. And we'll zoom out slightly once I've done that. So bring them in closer, like so. Selecting the zoom tool and just zooming out, holding Alt. Now from these I'm going to decide what the best font is for true tone amplification and the best position for the symbol.